how you make it. Well, guess what, guys? Merry Christmas, everyone. Just to start out with, Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh my goodness, I have been gone a long time. But guess what? I'm about to serenade you guys. Come on now. Say hello. Oh my goodness, we are making turkey today. So, we're going to be making turkey. I'm going to show you how I do my turkey. Anyway, so, but first of all, let me take a sip first. Cheers, guys. Yeah, so today, well, we just finished opening presents. We just finished screaming for joy for all the gifts we got. Thank you to everyone who made our Christmas beautiful. What else can I say? I mean, like, now we're like cleaning up, and we are also trying to put everything away, you know, straight to the place, and then we are beginning to start dinner. So today I'm going to be making turkey. This is Christmas dinner. So I'm going to be making turkey today. So to start off with today, we're going to start with the turkey. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a turkey. That's what I'm going to do. And I will show you guys how to make it, and very easy. My cooking is always like very easy. It's like 30 minutes, you know, stuff, nothing, you know, you have to take forever to get ready to do, you know. So it's really, really easy and everything. So I'll show you guys. Right now, this is a turkey. Got it from Walmart. It's organic turkey. So I've never tried organic turkey before. This is my first time trying organic turkey. So we have organic turkey. I'm going to use a bunch of stuff. It's my recipe, guys. You know how I am. It's my recipe. Yeah. And then this is something that I'm telling you guys, I trust and use all the time. This is fabulous. You're going to need this. And then you're going to need, you know, butter. Different kind of butter you want to use, you know. And then I always put like onions, you know, because you want to make that food like really zesty. And then we have curry. We have thyme. You see that? We have rosemary. Yeah. And don't forget, of course, we have salt. And then you can also use black pepper too, you know, so I'll get black pepper from there. And then I have bell pepper. You know, I just make up the stuff, and then it tastes right, and we eat it. So that's what it is. So I'm going to just show you guys how to do the turkey. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. With this turkey, you first of all, when you get the turkey from the box, you know, from the bag, you take it out, and then don't forget, guys, remove what is inside. Let me show you guys. You see this? You see this? Remove what is inside. Guys, I'm telling you, there was a time I cooked the turkey and I did not remove anything from inside. I'm telling you, it was terrible. It did not get done. It did not work. For real. That was my first time making turkey anyway. But you have to remove all these things from inside. You see, like, this is the neck bone. Yeah, and then it also has, like, I don't know, some sort of, I think this is the gizzard or so. I think this is the gizzard that is here. The gizzard. This is the gizzard, yeah. It's clean anyway. But then also, there's something in the butt area. Do you see that? Yeah. And also, like, the night before, defrost your turkey. You know, defrost your turkey, put it out, you know, so that it will be defrosted, because you want the seasoning to really penetrate inside. And then also this area, to open this area to remove whatever is inside. I'm telling you, this was what was inside this one. And I think this one has like the hat inside. Yeah, I think it's like in a bag. So it's like the hat, you know, it's like in a steel bag anyway. It has like the hat and the liver and everything else inside. So today, my oldest is going to be helping me today with you know what I'm doing. So don't forget, when you get your turkey, you wash your turkey. So don't forget also, wash your hands, guys. You are cooking. This is a very sensitive time. This is a very, you have to wash your hands. You need ingredient into your hands. Wash it first before you make meals for your family. Okay, so I've already washed all this. So I'm going to put this on the side because I'm going to make like gravy, you know, like turkey gravy with this thing. It is really good. So this is it here. So don't forget to wash your turkey and everything. So I've already washed my turkey inside and then out. And we are going to chop up onions, you know, to push inside it. I am using this opportunity then to teach my oldest how to make a turkey. She's shy of the camera. Say hi! Say hi, Yana! Hi! Oh, she's gorgeous. That's my middle child. Alea, Tiger.
Yeah, I'm just like the height. She's like a dwarf right now. I'm the height of her. Yeah.
Pretty cool. And then I'm telling you, my rest are coming. I'm going to see them. My gorgeous kids. Say hi, Annabelle. That's my mini-me, my Belle. And that is my second child, Anaya. They're all very much in pajamas. Pretty cool. And then I have one more. Uh-oh, he's coming. Oh, that's awesome! So Merry Christmas, everybody. So Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Pretty cool. He's like already ready to eat. He's like, Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys. So my oldest is gonna wash her hand, and I'm gonna show her how to make it. So this is, you have your turkey here. So we're gonna cut up our onions. You know, I use like 1 onions. You know, you want me and my cooking. I always like make sure that everything is like seriously, you know, like seasoned. That's how I like my stuff. Anyway, you know, seriously seasoned. Yeah, so it's like that. Yeah, so we're gonna cut up our onions very well. Yeah, so cut it up very well, and then come here. Okay, see. So this is my oldest. Yeah, so we're gonna pack the onions and we're gonna put it inside the pot. Yeah, we're gonna put it inside the pot. There you go. There you go. We're gonna put it inside the pot. And then, like you see, you have like one of this butter. You know, 1 stick of butter. Put it inside too. You know, you can put 1 stick of butter inside it. Yeah. Diabetes is sugar.
I know. Oh, wait, that was sugar. Okay.
Oh God, the audience is getting to me already. Yeah, so use a sharp knife. This knife looks like if it needs to be sharpened again. Yeah, so cooking is fun, guys. Cooking is fun. So this is what we do. You know, I used to hate cooking when I was older. Yeah, because I studied a lot. So I thought it was a waste of my study time. But my mom, they were like, you have to know how to cook. But now it's fun. Anyway, yeah. So this is it. You cut up your onions, and then you see you can sprinkle it around. This is what I do. I sprinkle my onions around. You know, put it in the armpits of the turkey. You know, so you say you put the armpit of the turkey. Yeah. And then guess what else? You see that you get all your seasonings out. Yeah. So we're gonna use this and put it all over it. So we're gonna put it all over it. Ooh, Lord, that onion is strong. Ooh, Lord. Okay, while she's doing that, I'm gonna be taking a little sip. Oh, ooh, that tastes so good. I love lemonade all the time.
Yeah. Wow, Yana, your seeds out of putting garlic butter in the middle of it?
Yeah, we're gonna do all that.
Great job, Yana.
So then you make sure it's all around. And then this is curry. So we're gonna put it, we sprinkle it just little curry all around it. We want our turkey to really be seasoned. Don't forget when you are seasoning, don't forget the inside. You need to put, don't always rubbing your hand or your clothes.
Oh,
yeah.
Salmonella.
Yeah. Don't forget to season the inside of the turkey, guys. You season the outside and forget the inside. And then don't forget, this is rosemary. Rosemary is a delight. I'm telling you, the smell alone. And then also the, what do you call it? The seasoning that it creates in food is amazing. My nails doesn't want to open this thing now. So let's see. Yeah, pull it out. Yeah. So you might put your rosemary all over it. You see that? Make sure this thing is like really inside. And don't forget, guys, put this mess inside. Put it inside for real. The audience is strong, but put it inside all around. That's what you should do. And then guess what else we're gonna do? I told you this is so important, guys. So you see this? You're gonna open this up. And you can even put like a whole one inside this. I'm telling you, you can put a whole one inside this one. You see what I'm saying? Like put it inside. Put it inside. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's just, you know, it's like a whole one inside it. You know. And then give me the other one. When you are cooking, you have to be messy, guys. You have to rub, massage. You want your thing to have like the seasoning that you're trying to put in it. You know, like you want it to have it, put it in all the armpits, everything. Yeah, well, sprinkle it really well, like all around it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you see that? Really nice. You see that? Our turkey is already taking face. You know what I'm saying? Then we can chop up some bell pepper too. Can you raise this for me, please? Yeah. And don't forget, you see your salt? Like sprinkle salt around it, you know, salt. Even though we put that, all the seasoning, like sprinkle salt all around this thing. Like make sure it's all around it like that.
Are you gonna put spice on it?
Yeah, so it's pretty cool. We're gonna chop up this. Yeah. And then, can you find me the garlic seasoning for me, please? Yeah, so we're gonna chop up some bell pepper. You have to like chop it so finely, guys. You just like, no, okay, just, and then black pepper for me. So you see that? See all this? You can even leave it up here so that the pepper seasoning can like go around, sink in it. You know what I'm saying? Or you just like put it in like that. You know?
What?
You see that? You see what I'm doing? Cooking is not difficult, guys. I'm telling you, anyone can cook. Sometimes I just make up recipe, and guess what happens to me? It tastes good. I might be a genius, or just lucky.
That was a lot of garlic salt.
Yeah.
That might have been a lot.
Let me see what is that?
Garlic powder.
Yeah, so you can never be a lot. I always feel that when you season a lot, you understand? Not in terms of salt, you know what I'm saying? But in terms of like, you know, like the seasoning, you know what I'm saying?
So fabulous.
See what it looks really.
Oh,
really
fabulous,
cool.
Annie.
Yeah.
So what's your secret on making this turkey good?
Everything, love from my
Yes.
heart to you guys.
So how do you make this turkey flavor sink in the turkey?
That's what I'm doing. I'm showing everybody what I'm doing. So you see this? I'm showing you guys my real secrets. And then all I do is that you just put like oil, like sprinkle oil on it, you know, that kind of thing. You know, you don't want too much oil, but you just want to sprinkle it. Some people don't use oil, they use like butter. I use oil. So you just sprinkle oil on it and everything. And you know, and then you put your love on it too. You know what I'm saying? And then that's it. You know?
Bubba.
Yeah. And then you know you can we can get like some
He's taking it.
we can get like some let me show you. My nails are something else. Yeah. You can get some more butter. You can put some butter on top here. You can put butter in the leg. You see what I'm saying? What I'm doing? You can put butter on the side like that. Yeah. What's wrong, babe? Yeah. Almost ready, babe. You see that? You put butter like that. I feel like I'm like what's her name? Paula Dean. With all the butter. But let me tell you something, though, guys. It's always good to. Hey. Wait, babe. Don't put your hand on it.
Bubba.
Watch that boy's hand for me, please. Yeah, don't forget, even the neck area, put the seasoning in there. You know, don't be scared with your seasoning, guys. Like, put the seasoning in it, for real. Put your seasoning in it, you know, and let it go. That's what you should do. So you see, with this now, is ready. So all we have to do is nice to put it in the oven for 2.5 hours. That's it. 2.5 hours. And sometimes these turkeys they have something in them and that pokes out. It's somewhere here, you know. It pokes out to tell you that it is ready. This one might not have it, so we have a thermometer that we can use to check, and the temperature check to make sure that the turkey is ready. So that's what we're going to use our thermometer to check. But we're going to put this in the oven for 2.5 hours. To me, when you're cooking, it's better for you to put your turkey in first before you start to make all your other stuff, because the turkey takes longer. But while you're making all that stuff, the turkey is getting ready. So guys, let me know below what they call it, if you need the full recipe again, or you can watch the video over and over again, share it with your friends, and then you know, surprise them with the taste of the turkey. And then also, what else again can I tell you? You know, ask me questions if you want to, but I'll show you the finished product. It will be the picture of the video. So I'm gonna put this in the oven. You see how it was so easy to make? You know, you can do it, guys.
Are you gonna
Go
show
for
them?
it?
Mama.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Are you gonna show them the rest of the
Yeah. So we're gonna put this in the oven at we're gonna put it at 400 degrees. Okay, so we're gonna put this at 400 degrees. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Mine.
Oh, okay.
It's like we might have to like lose one of these things. Ayana, we're gonna move one of these things.
Guess what?
It smells so good.
Okay, good. So we're gonna lose it. One of them. And then put it in the oven. I'm telling you guys, at you can put it at 350. That's okay. But you know, I'm gonna put it at 400 and then watch it. You know, but you can still put it at 350. And for 2 hours 50, 2 hours 30 minutes. That's 12. Okay, so
You want me to start making potato salad? Yeah, well, stop.
okay, your turkey is on its way. I'll show you guys the pictures later on. That's it. So next, you know, watch the next video. We're gonna be making greens. I'm gonna put the greens on the fire. That's another thing that takes a longer time. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make greens.